Hi friends, today you will learn how to create a new Google Ads account. So for that, let me do it from the starting. So for that, first you need to sign in with your Gmail ID, and after that you simply need to put ads.google.com. Then click here sign in. I already have couple of Google Ads account, so I will show you how to create a new Google Ads account. So for that, click here and then again create a new account. Click here. Just wait for a few seconds until new window opens. Now it is showing create your first campaign in a few simple steps. So we are not going to create our campaign from here. We will simply click on skip campaign creation. Now it will ask for few details. Your billing country, time zone, currency. So fill these options carefully. So now it is asking, want personalized campaign guidance from a Google Ads expert by phone? You can click yes or no, but I generally click no and then submit. It is showing congrats, you are all done. Now you need to click on explore your account. Now the Google has changed the layout of the page. So earlier these all options used to be here on the top. Now these all are displaying on the left side. So but you have all the options. Like if you go to campaign, inside ad reports, inside when and where ads showed, report editor, dashboard, campaign experiments, campaign groups. Let me take you through audience and location. So you have all the options here. If you will come to goals, then conversions, value rules, custom variables, settings, upload, Salesforce, measurements, attribution. So everything is here. It has just changed the layout. So you don't need to worry. This is quite efficient layout. So thank you. I hope it is now clear that how to make a Google Ads account. Still, if you have some query, you can put a message to me.